Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to log out of Facebook on all devices. Specifically, I'll show you how to do this in the Facebook app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. On most of the devices you access Facebook on, your credentials are stored after the first time you access your Facebook account and you don't have to enter them again. While this is great for convenience, it can be scary if someone else gets a hold of that device. As a matter of security, it can be a good idea to occasionally sign all devices out of your Facebook account, which will force anyone trying to access your account on those devices to have to re-enter the username and password for your Facebook account to access your account. Now let's walk through the steps to log out of all Facebook devices you're currently signed into using the Facebook app for iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. Step 1. Launch the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Facebook home screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon at the bottom of the screen. The menu screen appears. Step 3. Tap Settings and Privacy to expand that section, and then choose Settings in that list of options. Your account settings screen is displayed. Step 4. Tap Security and Login in the Security section. The Security and Login screen appears. Step 5. Locate the Where You're Logged In section and then tap See All in that section. The Where You're Logged In screen is displayed, showing you all of the devices you're currently logged into Facebook on. Step 6. Scroll down to the bottom of this screen and then tap Log Out of All Sessions. The Log Out of All Sessions screen appears, notifying you that you'll be logged out of Facebook on every device you are currently logged in on. Tap Log Out. You'll be returned to the Security and Login screen where the only active session you'll see is the session you're currently logged into. You'll be signed out of all other Facebook sessions and will be required to enter your credentials before accessing Facebook on any other devices. Let me know what your favorite Facebook feature is in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.